Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Randy TV. So, luluto tayo ng gulay na bulang lang. So, we have a big fish. It's a grilled fish. Hindi ako na isda nga malaki. Yeah. So, we have a spinach, onion, ginger, eggplant, tomato, green chili, and zucchini. Yeah. And also mushroom. Right, this is the ingredients of my vegetable bulang lang. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. First, oil. So first, ginger. Onion. So after tomato, okay. So after 5 minutes, put water. Uy! Sorry. Okay. Wow. So you put now the vegetable, eggplant and zucchini. Zucchini, zucchini, yeah. Together. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So to boil in maybe 3 minutes or 5 like that. Okay. Okay. Wow. So we put the black pepper. Then after that, the mushroom. Yes, nice. Mushroom. Then green chili. Yes. And more tomato. Fresh up. Wow, it's ready. So we put now spinach. Yes. And then chili. So I put now this the last fish and 3 minutes it's become ready. Okay, thank you for watching and like. Bye, see you again next vlog. Okay, bye bye. Randy TV.